That way I don't drop it.
All right, we got Jeff here at Kersey, Everett, and we're going to do a little delivery of a Joey into a Kia minivan.
Correct. And it's as simple as in and out. So at this point, I'm going to push the out button.
This is a large chair. It's a Joey lift, which is great. Drive on, drive off platform.
Right. When the platform gets flat, do not keep on pushing this button. Do not try and jack the car up to change the spare wheel. If you notice on the behind here, there's a red strap.
Yes.
Right. If I kept on holding the out button, the strap will get loose. You don't want to get the strap loose because eventually the motor will wind again, and then the out becomes the in, and the in becomes the out.
We don't want that.
We don't want that. So make sure that the release is flat. Do not try and jack the car up. And then to place it back in, it is push the in button.
Now you don't strap it down at all, right?
Correct.
This is the easiest, simplest lift you can get. This is the one we sold another one yesterday. This is a great system. By far the easiest. If it fits your vehicle, the way to go.
Yeah. Looks like it fits the vehicle.
Yes.
There it is, Joey.
Well,
That's it.
Kia Sedona.
A magnet here holds it in place.
okay.
There's a little magnet here.
Make sure that everything's closed.
And that's
Or
everything's
it has
correct.
to go off when it's closed.
Correct. Yes.
So that
Okay.
powers it off.
Yes.
Doesn't get a battery draw, which is great.
Yep.
There we go.
Good.
All right, Jeff, thank you
Yes.
very much. It's for Joey, Bruno Joey. The best, easiest, simplest stuff you can get if your chair
Yes.
and your vehicle are compatible.